Hello everyone, it's printing time again for my orange CraftBot 3D printer from Craft Unique, a 3D printing company in Hungary. And what is the printer printing this time? This is an item from the TinyPlan Bulldozer, designed by Wei Chow. This is actually a remix version of the mini track loader RC by ZP. What's special about this TinyPlan Bulldozer is that the electronics, this TinyPlan electronics board is designed by Wei Chow and his team. And I'm slicing this item which corresponds to one side of the yellowish item here. This item is sliced in Cura. Its estimated time is 1 hour 5 minutes based on this slicer settings. So let's hope for a good start to all the items that will be printed in the days to come. Here's the TinyPlan Bulldozer saying thank you for watching. Till the next print. Goodbye.